Umphakathi wase-Lydenburg uthi osombusazwe kanye namaphoyisa bayabandakanyeka ekushushumbisweni kwezidakamizwa kuleli dolobha.
This is a well-sophisticated network of drug cartels. Most unfortunately, senior people, politicians, police officers are not only involved, but are direct beneficiaries of those drug cartels. The Nigerian drug lords or drug cartels have taken over. They are a law unto themselves and they've taken over our community.
Uthi umphakathi uhlezi libhojozi njengoba usola ukuthi abantu bokufika yibona bashushumbisa idakamizwa kuleli dolobha kanti babulala abantu abalwisana nalobugebengu.
We've got an issue of Combrick who was brutally beaten and suffocated by the very same Nigerian drug laws. What is more worrisome, they've instilled the demon of fear, because once you expose them, you must know that they're coming to your place.
Osomatekisi kule ndawo banxusa uhulumeni ukuba ungenelele njengoba bona bengakwazi ukuzibambela umthetho ngezandla.
Simo si dangerous sesidlulele. The way kungakhona ama drugs semagcwele kakhulu la eLydenburg. Nebantwana sebamoshekile balala etitratini akusana control. So ungathi uhulumeni angasinceda ngoba thina njengema taxi owner angeke sikhona ukubashaya ukuthatha umthetho subeke etandleni tethu, but sibona ukuthi sidobe inkingeni vele.
Isicelo sabasolwa ababili uThinedu Chuku kanye noIgena Obi sebheyili sihlehlisiwe izolo kanti uphenyo lusaqhubeka mayelana nokubulawa kukaGift Combrick.